Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding lawn chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Dame Century Folding Camping Chair. This chair is a solid choice for anyone who prioritizes portability and lightweight design. Weighing only 4 pounds per chair, it's easy to carry around, and the included carrying bag makes transporting it to the beach, park, or campsite a breeze. The chair is built with a durable steel tube frame and 100% polyester fabric, which supports up to 300 pounds. The full backrest design provides decent support, though it's worth noting that this model lacks armrests, which might not suit everyone's preferences. When it comes to setup, the Dame Century chair is a no-tools-needed option, folding and unfolding in seconds. Its compact dimensions make it easy to store, and it's versatile enough for a wide range of outdoor activities like picnics, sporting events, and fishing trips. However, the absence of padding on the seat and backrest means it's not ideal for extended sitting sessions. Also, while it includes a single cup holder, it doesn't have additional storage pockets for items like phones or sunscreen. Overall, this chair is best suited for users looking for a budget-friendly, lightweight option for casual outings. While it's not the most feature-rich chair on this list, its simplicity and portability make it a reliable choice for quick trips. Pros include its lightweight build and ease of use, while cons are the lack of padding and armrests. At number 4, we have the Weediorm 2-pack lightweight camping chairs. Designed for portability, these chairs weigh only 3.6 pounds each, making them a great option for hikers, campers, and festival goers. The compact design allows the chairs to fold down to a travel-friendly size of 24 inches by 5, and the included carry bags make transportation even easier. These chairs are built with a high-strength steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric, offering a weight capacity of 250 pounds, which is impressive for chairs of this size. The contoured seat design provides decent ergonomic support, and the breathable fabric is a nice touch for outdoor use, especially on warmer days. However, the chairs are armless, which may not appeal to everyone, and they lack the plush padding that some competitors offer. While the Weediorm chairs are highly portable and suitable for short-term use, they might not be the most comfortable option for extended periods of sitting. Additionally, they are designed for users up to 6 feet tall, so taller individuals may find them less accommodating. In terms of value, this 2-pack is ideal for couples or families looking for a lightweight and affordable solution for outdoor activities. Pros include the ultra-lightweight build and compact storage, while cons are the lack of armrests and limited comfort for prolonged use. These chairs are a great pick for anyone prioritizing portability over luxury. At number 3, we have the Hostile Foldable Camping Chair Set of 2. If you're looking for durability and comfort in equal measure, these chairs might just be the right pick. Built with 600D Oxford fabric and reinforced steel pipes, these chairs can support up to 275 pounds each. The double-layered fabric ensures the seat doesn't sag over time, and the non-slip PE bases keep the chair stable on various surfaces. The full backrest and armrests add to the comfort, making it a great choice for longer outdoor events like camping weekends or barbecues. In terms of usability, the Hostile chairs are easy to set up and fold down in seconds. They come with convenient carry bags for storage and portability, and each chair weighs around 6 pounds, making them manageable to transport. One standout feature is the ergonomic design, which provides solid support for your back and shoulders, even during extended use. The inclusion of cup holders is always a plus, allowing you to keep beverages or small items within easy reach. These chairs are a good mid-range option for anyone seeking a balance between portability and comfort. While they are slightly heavier than some competitors, their robust construction and thoughtful design make up for it. Pros include the sturdy build and ergonomic comfort, while cons are the slightly heavier weight and higher price point compared to more basic models. This set is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts who value durability and support. In the runner-up spot at number 2 is the Emerit 2-pack oversized padded camping chair. If comfort is your top priority, this chair goes above and beyond with its plush padding and oversized design. The 600D polyester fabric is not only durable, but also luxuriously comfortable, and the lumbar support ensures you can relax without strain. With a generous seating area and a maximum weight capacity of 350 pounds, this chair is suitable for users of all sizes. The reinforced steel frame further enhances its durability, making it a reliable choice for outdoor use. One of the standout features is the ample storage options. Each chair includes a cup holder and a spacious side pocket, which is perfect for keeping essentials like books, snacks, or even an iPad within easy reach. The chairs are relatively lightweight for their size, at just over 10 pounds each, and they fold down to a compact size for easy transportation and storage. However, it's worth noting that these chairs are on the larger side, so they might not be the best option for those with limited storage space. Overall, the Emerit chairs provide excellent value for anyone who wants a high level of comfort without sacrificing portability. Pros include the padded design and high weight capacity, while cons are the larger size and slightly heavier weight. These chairs are ideal for campers, tailgaters, and anyone who enjoys outdoor lounging with all the comforts of home. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Amazon Basics camping chair. This chair offers an unbeatable combination of affordability, comfort, and practicality, making it our top pick. With a heavy-duty steel frame and a mesh back for breathability, this chair is built to last. It supports up to 225 pounds and features a built-in cooler pouch that can hold up to 4 12-ounce cans, plus a cup holder and side pocket for added convenience. The Amazon Basics chair is easy to fold and comes with a carrying bag for hassle-free transportation. At 3.64 kilograms, it's relatively lightweight, and its compact size when folded ensures it won't take up too much space in your car or storage area. The mesh back design is perfect for hot summer days, providing ventilation and reducing heat buildup. While it may not have the plush padding of some other models, its overall comfort level is excellent for the price. This chair is a fantastic all-rounder, suitable for camping, picnics, sports events, and more. Pros include its affordable price, built-in cooler pouch, and reliable construction, while cons are the lower weight capacity and lack of padding. For anyone looking for a versatile and budget-friendly folding chair, the Amazon Basics camping chair is an easy recommendation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.